Want to know how to log out of Snyk? Well, no worries. So if you want to switch account or log out, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. First things first is simply open up your Snyk.io application, and you should be right here under the dashboard where you should be logged in by default, where everything should be shown. Now, on the left side, you should be seeing various options right here. If it doesn't show, you can just simply select this to open up the menu, and now you can just simply scroll all the way down. Here you should be seeing your name and your avatar. Just simply select that, and here you can see logout. So now once you have clicked logout, as you can see right here, you should automatically be logged out of Snyk, and that's it. So simple and easy. This is how you easily log out of Snyk from your account. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar Snyk videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.